Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So just let me go quickly through those things and okay, and now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And then let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time, so just mark the option and then tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on more options, and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. And here at the top you've got the time range again, so here you have to set it separately. I'll pick all time this time, and then simply tap on delete data. And we just got back, the Chrome was turned off, which means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.